Okay, okay. The neat thing about the Switch Vehicle program is that it can invite students of all kinds. Your students that maybe have the mathematical capacity, your student who maybe is interested in robotics, the student who maybe is interested in working with their hands, or the student that maybe has a knowledge of technology or maybe doesn't. This program allows all students to be a part of the opportunity of making something. And you see the student engage in the science, in the understanding of how electrons work and electricity works, and understanding how software is part of that. It really combines all assets of the technical training that we used to see in the schools through shop, through auto body shop, and so forth. And it allows students to expand their opportunities that maybe they wouldn't have seen otherwise.